qualify somebody to Ujigo?
But let me tell you, this is a great dream.
Yes.
I wanted to vie for Member of Parliament in 2022. So I'm not basing my performance at ward level, so that in our ero kina koba kebe. I can give you clips. I have all of them. In every meeting na korete as a ward ya Masimba. Na dedi abantu moko ngobo MCA 2027 no bojume ngore ndiki. My people there, they are prepared. Actually, because it's not a new thing to me. Number two, you have asked about performance. Yeah, negotiating at the ward level no MCA. I can tell you without blinking. A ward in inherited no MCA, it was in a bad state. Have you ever seen one? Because you always take music. They feel there is leadership. We didn't have the impact of revolution for a long time. Revolution young 2013.
Oh yes.
Our people could not feel was say if you see, if you go there, we have done roads since we came in place, and I've explained to them this financial year. We didn't even have an ECD class, even one, since 2013.
Right.
We have done some ECD centers, and we have others on the way coming. People used to do it. We have done more than 16 water springs. We have never had a borehole according to 100%. Currently, we have 2 boreholes at the ward. We didn't have facilities like now. We have a newly established facility called Getembe dispensary. We have built a new maternity wing at Ramasha. We have improved Masimba level 4, and we have even put more money. I've engaged the governor on a very sober agreement that we have 10 million in the budget. World Bank, he has indicated there is a lot of work going on.
Oh, yes.
Initially, we didn't have bursaries at the county, at the ward level. More than 5,000 students have been benefiting from bursaries, and I always post on my Facebook. When we have forms and under 1,000, all of them they get bursaries.
Oh, yes.
So since then we came in place to a college bursary markatatu, and all the time to 3 million to 5. So people feel the impact. One. Finally, a very simple thing: representation and being available. That thing never used to happen in my ward. Since I came in place, my presence is felt everywhere. We even have an office that is operational, where people meet my manager. Those things I'm able to do, I do. I'm not able to do. Then that is it, because so I can proudly give myself an airplane. You don't rate yourself, but because I'm a teacher, you can know when you have done well. Like when I got them at the MCA, because I knew I had performed. Even this way, your MCA, I can tell you without blinking, I have performed. And because we have time until 2027, I have promised my people we have more things coming up. Some places where I have not been able to touch because the budget but we promise to deliver. We have a lot of time, and by the end of my tenure as MCA, I will not have another work here. That's why I've made it a deliberate and intentional decision. Come 2027, in the Getembe Television Network, CDF,